no. Yo, what's up? This is Illusive Media Studio. Midnight Shoutout with AKA Tashfiq, the lover of ODU, Shomi's brother. I call the cousin. Because we do it like that. There's no food at their house. We're going to WaWa's, so we're doing shout out to WaWa. I want to hear shout outs.
I love WaWa's.
We love WaWa.
Don't want to eat this bullshit.
No more bullshit.
But Shomi got us the swine flu. Watch out!
Fuck you, man.
Watch out!
You gave me the.
I can't close this.
How are you doing?
Something's going on. Your computer.
Click on that shit,
Your computer.
dumbass.